Hey folks, so I've got a Wordlock TSA approved travel padlock. It's open and I don't know the combination. So at this point, I can't do the trick where you pull on it when you turn the numbers to, well, letters in this case, in order to figure out what the combination is, because again, it's already open. Like I said, I don't know the combination. So what I figured out works is if you take a shim like this and you hold it, turn the lock this way, and you hold the shim here on the bottom of the dial, and you move it one letter at a time. You should be able to find a gap in between two of the letters. Once you found that gap, move on to the next one. Be a little tricky to make sure you got it. I believe it's here. Yeah. Hopefully the last two won't take as long as that second dial. Hope everyone's having a better day than I am, because I am just drenched in sweat right now. I believe I got the first two set, or first three set. Yep. So when you turn it this way, at least on this particular lock, as long as the notch should line up along the middle here, and then the lock will actually lock. If you find the notch with your shim and you got them all lined up, but it's not opening, you just need to move them one at a time over one, so they're all the same number of rotations until the lock closes. Make sure you're holding it in the right position, though. If you don't have one of these shims, I'll include a link to where you can get one in the description section. I found that a metal strip from a security tag. I'll try to get you one of these security tabs. If you cut this open, there should be two of these in there. In a pinch, this might work, as long as you're holding it like this. So yours in that corner. And another option would probably be to cut a soda can, like so it more mimics this shape. Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps somebody out, and have a good one, folks.